Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're setting up a Zoeller M53 in a sump basin in a backyard down in Cocoa Beach, Florida. And this is for a flooding backyard. The sump pump works really good. Let's take a look at how to set this up. So now it's time to set up our mighty mate, Zoeller M53. This is 1/3 of a horsepower. You start with a threaded male adapter and it screws right into this port right here. You want to get this on there hand tight, as tight as you can make it. Then you want to cut off a small piece of 1.5" PVC. We want a piece that gets just above this safety bar. Safety bar protects the float that turns on and off the pump. I've already cut it. We're going to glue that in place right now. Remember, good amount of glue, it sets up quick. Push it in, give it a little twist, and hold it, and that's set. Next we're going to put on a check valve, and that only allows water to flow one direction. And there's actually a little arrow on the check valve that tells you the direction of water flow. This is held together with a no-hub hard rubber band. They're called no-hubs, and stainless steel clamps. We stick that on and we go ahead and tighten those down. 5/16 inch drill bit, as tight as your drill can make it. Double check them, make sure they're tight. We're going to leave this one loose because we're going to still come up when we go into the sump pit. We're going to come up, it'll have a 90, turn and go out. Humid out here. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and put our pump down in the pit. You can see our pit right here. We're going to set our M53 down in the bottom, kind of square it up in the center. Next we're going to cut a little piece of 1.5" pipe, and then we're going to turn it and we're going to core a 2-inch hole through here. This hole is for the downspout and a catch basin bringing water in here. Remember, this side is the French drain. This pump will handle all of that, no problem. This pump pumps between 60 and 80 gallons a minute, depending on the head, which means how far and high it's pushing it. Because we're pushing it about 150 feet, it's probably only going to pump about 45 to 50 gallons a minute. More than enough. I mean, that's a trash can and a half full of water every minute that comes out of this pump. So let's go ahead and cut a little piece here, and then we'll put the 90 on, and we'll find the measurement over here, and we'll drill a 2-inch hole. So I haven't glued or clamped any of this together, but you can see there's a small insert from the no-hub of the check valve, comes up to the 90. Now we're just going to drill a hole, a 2-inch hole, which is the exact outside diameter of the 1.5" pipe. So there's our 2-inch hole. Now we're going to stick a piece of 1.5" through here, and we'll tighten it all up and glue it together. So now we glue up our 1.5" PVC, line up your pump, and push and hold. And that's ready to go. So we've already glued this small insert, tightened up all the clamps. And you can see our 1.5" is going to come out. And it's actually in the same trench as the inlet coming into this section here. So now we've hooked up the downspout. We had to kind of offset here because of the concrete, but it looks fine. Come over, you can see it comes down. We're going to go under the sprinklers. It comes around to the catch basin, and then we'll have another piece of solid pipe connect to the pit. The 1.5" discharge is going to run through the same trench here and come out and then be in its own trench as it goes all the way around to the front. This is a long discharge, very long discharge, but that little Zoeller M53, it's a great pump. I promise you that it'll work great. You can see we've got a good curve on the line. Comes out here, And we'll put a pop-up right out here, because from here it's downhill out to the street. So you have a pop-up out here. Sorry. You have a pop-up out here. We'll dig that a little deeper and it'll just run all the way out to the curb. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
About our live help, we do video consultation via Skype, just $35 per session. We can answer any question, help with planning, materials. Check us out on the web. Visit our website and schedule online.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.